Welcome to the world of science. Chapter 2, Part 3. Children, we've learnt about the kinds of plants. We learned what are plants and what are the different kinds of plants. Now we learn about leaves. Alright, this is the third part of the lesson. It was a big lesson, yes, but I'm sure you've learnt a lot about the wonderful creation of God. Trees and plants and the different plants around us. Children, these plants beautify our world. So children, let us learn about leaves now. Look at the plants inside your house or outside your house. Most of them have leaves. Now let us read our textual line, children. The picture here also you see, all the plants have leaves. So let us read the line, children. Most plants have leaves. Most plants have leaves. Spell out each word. M-O-S-T, most. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. H-A-V-E, have. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Most plants have leaves. Children, we always color leaves green. But today I'm going to tell you something very important. Not all leaves are green in color, but most of them are. Look at the picture here. I'm sure you have understood that some leaves could be red, pink, orange, or even brown sometimes, especially when the seasons change or the leaves are going to fall off the tree when it's summer. The color of the leaves change. For now, you must know that most leaves are green in color. Let us read. Most leaves are green in color. M-O-S-T, most. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. A-R-E-R-G-R-E-E-N, green. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Most leaves are green in color. Now, as we have learnt about plants, they are all in different shapes, sizes and colors. So also are the leaves, children. Our good Lord has taken out much time to beautify our world, to make us feel at peace. So, children, you should never pluck leaves of a plant unwantedly. Let them grow. Let them stay alive. Let them prepare food for the plant. The leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. Let us read once again. The leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. The, the, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. O-F, of, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. A-N-D, and S-I-Z-E-S, sizes. Children, I'm spelling out each and every word for you so that you learn to read more fluently and get the pronunciations right of every word. So when you're back at school, you will not face any difficulty, right? Now look at some of the plants in the picture, children. Here, their plants are really very big. Have you seen the banana plant? The leaf is big. And you know what, children? All these leaves are very useful. I'll tell you about some of them later. Even look at the coconut tree. The leaves they don't have branches. Remember we learned in the last part of the lesson? Coconut trees do not have branches, but they have big leaves like this. And these leaves, children, are very useful. The palm leaves. So let us read the text line here. Some plants have big leaves. S-O-M-E, some. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. H-A-V-E, have. B-I-G, big. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Some plants have big leaves. Now, this is another beautiful creation. Look at the leaves here, children. They are small plants with small leaves. Okay, so let us read the text line here. Some plants have small leaves. You remember we saw the mint, the basil leaf plant. They all have small leaves. Even spinach. Some spinach are big, but some are small. So The text line, some plants have small leaves. S-O-M-E, some, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, H-A-V-E, have, S-M-A-L-L, small, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Some plants have small leaves. Now, let me take you through some of the different leaves that I have brought for you here. Here is the leaf of a papaya plant. Just look at it, children. We have many papaya fields in Borsad and in and around Anand. If you, once the lockdown is called off, you can visit some of the fields and see the banana leaf, the papaya leaf, the coconut palm. Children, this papaya leaf is very medicinal. It is good to increase the production of blood in your body. All right, let's learn the spelling of papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Children, identify the look of the papaya leaf. You will have to recognize it when you come to school, because I'm going to show you a leaf and I'm going to ask you to recognize it. So let's spell it out once again. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. L-E-A-F, leaf, papaya leaf. Now, this is a big leaf of a lotus plant. See the shape of its, children? It's circular. About the lotus leaf, I will tell you, it is waterproof and dirt proof. It grows in dirty ponds, so ponds have water in it, and this leaf floats on the water. It doesn't sink into the water. It floats. It remains above the water only. Okay, so it does not get wet, and the dirt from the pond does not stick onto the leaf. Isn't it such a wonderful creation of God, children? Because if we get into the water, all the dirt will get wet, and all the dirt of the pond will stick to our bodies, and we have to take a good bath and dry ourselves. We are not waterproof like the lotus leaf. Now here is the coconut palm. Children, we use the coconut palm to prepare mats and sheds. Okay, in villages you will see sometimes, especially if you go to coastal regions like Goa, South India, you will see that temporary houses are covered with coconut palms. All right, so then a nice mat is prepared out of it, and then it is used as a roof. So let us learn the spelling of coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. P-A-L-M, palm, coconut palm. Children, here we have another big leaf, the banana leaf. Children, these banana leaves are used as plates in South India. And the food is really tasty when you eat on this. So when you go to South India next time, remember to eat your food on this banana leaf. Or even sometimes at home you can do it. Take a banana leaf, because we have banana plantations here. Take a banana leaf and serve your food on that. Tell mama to serve you some food on that. Alright, let us learn the spelling of banana leaf. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. L-E-A-F, leaf, banana leaf. Children, this is yet another very important leaf, the peepal leaf. As I mentioned in the earlier part of the lesson, that peepal tree is considered as holy and very spiritual. Alright, now people of India worship the peepal tree. Children, the peepal leaf also, as the other leaves, have a lot of medicinal properties. So let us learn the spelling of peepal and learn to identify, recognize the peepal leaf. Look at the picture very carefully and repeat the spelling after me. P-E-E-P-A-L, peepal. L-E-A-F, leaf, peepal leaf. P-E-E-P-A-L, peepal. L-E-A-F, leaf, peepal leaf. Now here is another leaf that has a number of medicinal properties. That's the neem leaf. Okay, look at the leaves carefully, children. You are going to get a worksheet on this to identify the leaves. So you have to look at the leaves very carefully and learn to identify. Let us learn the spelling of neem. N-E-E-M, neem. N-E-E-M, neem. Children, here we have another group of plants. That's thorns, thorny plants. It's T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. Now I'm going to tell you something more about these thorny plants. Children, today I'm going to share a secret with you. Why these plants have thorns? Have you ever thought about it? Why do they have thorns? No? Okay, let me tell you. They have these thorns on themselves to protect themselves from being eaten by animals. Alright? Remember, they have these thorns to protect themselves from being eaten by other animals. But children, you know, they also look very beautiful. Okay, and nowadays, to decorate our houses, we also grow cactus plants at home. Along with rose plants, we also grow some of these cactus plants. Now, let us read something more about these thorny plants. Some plants have thorns. Thorns prick us. Prick means to poke. Okay, prick us. Have you ever plucked a rose, children? The rose plant has sharp thorns. These thorns prick us when we touch them. Cactus plants also has thorns. Animals do not eat plants which have thorns. Thorns protect these plants. Let us learn with the spellings. S-O-M-E, some, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, H-A-V-E, have, T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. Some plants have thorns. Thorns prick us. Prick, P-R-I-C-K, prick, P-R-I-C-K, prick. Have you ever plucked a rose? Spelling of plucked, P-L-U-C-K-E-D, plucked. To take out a rose from the plant is called plucking a flower. You will not say I'm taking out a flower. You will say I'm plucking a flower or plucking a rose from the plant. So we should never pluck leaves or flowers. Right, children? The rose plant has sharp thorns. Let us learn the spelling of sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. These thorns prick us when we touch them. These, T-H-E-S-E, these. When, W-H-E-N, when, T-O-U-C-H, touch, T-H-E-M, them. Cactus plants also have thorns. Cactus, the one which you see in the picture here is a cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus. I'll show you some more cactus plants in the next picture. Also, A-L-S-O, also. Now, why do these plants have thorns? So that the animals do not eat them. Animals do not eat plants which have thorns. Let's learn some spellings here. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. E-A-T, eat. W-H-I-C-H, which. Thorns protect these plants. So I hope you have understood. Now let us look at some of these thorny plants. Look at this, cactus plants. Wow, they look beautiful, don't they, children? Some of them have flowers on them. And some of them are of different shades of green. And even I can see some red, some brown colors here. Right? They are beautiful, but they have thorns. So be careful when you go close to them. And this is the rose plant. That is another thorny plant. You will learn about some more thorny plants when you grow older and in the next classes. So, I hope you have understood about the plant kingdom. Right? So, what wonderful creation, children, God has made for us. And He's made it all for us to admire the nature, to feel fresh and to feel good when we see these beautiful plants around us. So tonight, when we go to bed, let us thank God for the wonderful creation of plants He has given us. Bye for now, and I'm coming back with the next lesson. So be ready. Keep learning, keep growing.